Each class will receive a class kit that includes the following items: printed readers, theme flashcards, printed board games, a USB. The printed readers can be used in classroom for shared or individual reading. Use the flashcards for group work. When your learners have free time, let them play with the board games. The USB offers the teacher a range of classroom aids. The readers are on the USB as big books with audio support to assist learners with pronunciation. In addition, there are interactive games per story at the end of the reader for learners to play. This will reinforce their learning. The USB also contains audio support for the A to Z sounds and, most importantly, the click sounds that form part of the Nguni languages.
Iapile. Iapile. Icici. Icici. Iqolo. Iqanda. Iqanda.
The additional resources such as flashcards, rhymes, songs, and posters are developed according to the themes identified for the readers. All of these include audio support to help learners with pronunciation. The flashcards include many more words than the printed ones and also some basic sentences.